Trading, it is a privilege because always a trading offer abundance. This is amazing business. I'm very humble of this business. Also, I'm very grateful. And to, today I recorded the video. Today, Friday, May 9. Yesterday was an amazing day. As you can see, the price opened with a small gap up above, sorry, yeah, above the support. The price goes down, hit the support for the first time, goes up with four green candle, and testing the support for the second time with four red candle. As said many times, four red candle followed with a green candle. It is entered in call. Even with this bullish engulfing, as you can see, a solid green candle that involved the previous candle plus support second testing for red candle, bullish engulfing, support double bottom is a clear entry in call. Stop off below the candle, always below, because if this trade doesn't work, we must accept a small loss because this is the part of the game. I got it in this candle, my stop loss below one, two, three, four. I exit the level. Okay, yes, I make a mistake because you can see the price continue going up. Also, I always say always take profit because if the price goes down, you're gonna keep your profit. Um, I exit the level because in my plan is 4 and 5 green candle in row. It is exit for me, not for you, not for the people. For me, between 4 and 5 green candle, it is exit in call for me. Sometimes the price continue going up. Um, it's fine. It's fine. Always be happy with your profit. And from here, the price, as you can see, was sideways for at least 3 hours. And the last hour of the at the end of the day, the price dropped down with 6 red candle. When you see one, two, three, four green candle in row, follow with a red candle. Also, in my trading plan, it is enter input, stop off above. If the price goes up, if this trade doesn't work, I'm going to accept losses because this is the part of my trading plan. And I enter right here with this solid that candle. I exit, and the last candle is it is a lottery. Always exit. No, no, never the last candle. Always with this candle because the last candle is lottery. Anything can happen. I seen this trade many times. And for today, Friday, May 9, there is important resistance level in 570.31. I'm going to put right here a red line to identify my resistance for today, May 9. This is my resistance. Today, if the price open right here, there is important support, important resistance. If the price goes up, can continue going up, or the price goes down, make a breakout below the support. I will be very attentive to enter input. On the contrary, if the price does a full breakout, I will focus for enter in call right here above the support, and the price hit or if the price hit the resistance, I will be focused to enter input only if I see a clear bearish engulfing for today, May 9. I hope you like my analysis in this ticket that is the SPY 500 that I trade Monday to Friday. I trade every single week, month, years. I trade in the SPY since 2017. That's many years. Thanks for watching.